Hi, everybody. It's Lee Colesill for Canadian Tires, tested by Canadians for Canadians. Today, I'm reviewing the Q800 um, dash cam, the Thinkware dash cam. We didn't have a dash cam before, and this little item is quite impressive. It comes with a micro SD card that allows you to start right off the bat. The hookup into the car, which is in the car right now, so unfortunately it's not so great out right now. But it's fairly solid. Clicks in, push down, slip to the side, clicks in, and the great thing I like about it is that it does come with the micro SD card. It's very simple to use. The instruction book, it looks fairly thick, but it's quite easy to understand. The other thing I like is that it comes with a Wi-Fi, or you can use data from your smartphone, and you can actually see the videos from the cloud. Again, our first dash cam, very impressed. We haven't been able to use it a lot because of the pandemic that's going around in Canada right now. But again, very impressed. Quite an easy little piece of electronics to use, and just terrific for we were thinking for safety when you're using the dash cam. If something happens, it covers you. If somebody, an unforeseen circumstance, an accident or something, and it was not your fault, you've got that right there. Also, we've been enjoying, like we've taken it out a few times during the pandemic, just the views, just looking at your drive from a different perspective. It's just a lot of fun. I think you'll find it terrific. If you're in the market for a dash cam, you definitely can't go wrong with this one. And I'd like to thank Canadian Tire Tested for Canadians, by Canadians, for allowing my family and I to test this. This is Lee Colesill, and I look forward to my next test and review that I can share with you. Canadian Tire tested for Canadians by Canadians. I'm being asked if I would recommend the Thinkware Dash Cam Q800 Pro. I definitely would. It's a lot of fun. You can it clicks off easy. You can like I said, protect yourself if you need to. You can also view things afterwards. It's a lot of fun, and definitely if you're in the market for a dash cam, you can't go wrong with this one. So I definitely recommend.